Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before you start lowering a Chrysler 300, confirm local laws, inspection rules, and insurance implications. Some jurisdictions limit ride height, bumper clearance, and headlight aim. Decide a realistic drop target, often between 1 inch and 3 inches for daily driving or more for show cars, and research ride quality trade-offs. Itemize costs. Parts like springs, coils, or airbags, shocks, hardware, and alignment. Budget 000 to 000 depending on method and labor. Plan time, tools, and a safe workspace before proceeding. Select the suspension method that fits goals. Lowering springs are economical and usually drop 1 inch to 2.5 inches but need compatible shocks or struts. Expect firmer ride and reduced travel. Coilovers replace shock and spring, offering adjustable ride height in approximately 0.5 inch increments, camber adjustment on some kits, and better tuning for corner balance. Air suspension provides on-the-fly adjustment, often a 0 to 3.5 inch range, requires compressors, tanks, and pneumatic lines, and adds complexity and maintenance demands. When installing any lowering components, follow the Chrysler 300 service manual and use a torque wrench to meet OEM torque specs for control arms, struts, and fasteners. Inspect brake lines, ABS sensors, sway bar and links, and bump stops for clearance and extended travel. Replace or relocate lines if necessary. After reassembly, always perform a full alignment. Correct toe, camber, and caster to factory or tuned specs. Test drive cautiously. Recheck for noises and retorque hardware after about 100 miles to ensure safety and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.